Alright, so this is nightshades. We're gonna see what these look like on the Harley. I think I'm gonna do both these, see what they look like. If not, if we don't like them, we'll take them off. But we'll do a light coat at first, and then we'll hit it with the dark. Another one. Remember, you can't hold the camera sideways, because when people hold it on their phone, they gotta keep flipping the phone over. Alright, so just a light coat at first. Just to darken them up a little bit. Let me see a rag, Jason. I didn't like how that sprayed on there that time. So wipe it off. Alright, now let's try it. So light coat. Like that. Okay, now we'll do that other side the same. Man, that damn thing sprays high. Okay, now we'll do the other side the same way. Then we'll come back and see what they look like. Front one, let's see how this turns out. Things all covered up. That's as much as we need. Then we'll hit it with another coat. Okay, let those dry. Already got 2 coats on that one. So that's what it's looking like so far. You see a little bit of orange coming through, which is alright with me. And this one too. I think we're done on this one. Let's see what it looks like in the light. So we might hit that one with one more coat. Still see a little bit of red coming out of the top too much. And this one we'll probably hit it with one more coat too. But that's coming together. You got okay, so this one is done. It's not completely black, but you can see, you can still see some of the red come through, which is perfect. This one too, you can kind of see a little bit of the orange coming through. I didn't like that too much orange. The seat's gonna be orange, so that's what it's gonna look like. And I'll show you whenever both sides are done. Okay, so we do have it all. You can kind of see a little bit of the orange in the front, so they're done. The back, see, it's drying real nice. I kind of like that better than taking them off loose it. In the light you can see it's still got a little bit of the red. So they're blacked out now. Look a whole lot better. And that'll be it. Fairing on. Those, they're done. All right, we're not gonna be able to put this on until this dries, so we'll have to wait till tomorrow.